This is Noses Nuggets number 2. Today's video is slightly different from the usual flavor because it is about performance, but as you might realize, almost anything is tied with our spiritual aspect. Especially performance, because for performance we require to dig into the energy within our core. That does not come easy, it's not for everyone. And that is why we have a certain reverence for those who excel in their craft. These days, in a time where productivity is very much valued, we hear such axioms as aim high and aim higher and look for the best people and what they are doing, or dream big, make it happen, and reach for the stars. However, that can backfire. As you might already know, started dance some years ago, mainly during COVID. I am always on the lookout for tips related to dance performance, particularly among the adult group population. I have also noticed a trend recently about so-called bespoke and tailored courses. In my own coaching work, I also talk about tailoring the program and make it suitable for the person. That is so much more relevant when it comes to performance. I also came across this really interesting image, and it couldn't have explained it any better. During one of my recent dance classes, I was opening up to my dance teacher of how bad I feel that I'm not exercising, I'm not practicing as much as I used to, because of course I have other pressing commitments at the moment and I just couldn't keep up with the rigorous schedule that I had at the time. She did mention that it was not realistic, but for me that did not make exactly much sense. After that discussion and after seeing this particular image, I sort of opened up my eyes a bit more, and the spiritual connotations about it especially made it relevant in terms of insight. In Christian mysticism, it's interesting that we also use the images of the ladder, the rungs, other similar similes. How many times have we heard that a child cannot run before first they have crawled and walked? Unfortunately, there are some institutions and some educators who expect students to make big jumps, and then the student would feel uncomfortable because they are trusting the educator, and some people actually manage to make jumps, but let's face it, that is not exactly very natural. And it goes without saying that in the process of jumping you might skip certain important foundational aspects. Why shouldn't we start a new axiom? Dream small, make it happen big. Bye for now.